I chose to study BTECs because I think it suits my style of learning better. I'm much more hands-on and like to get on with my own stuff, but in a way that I'm not left to do my own thing and I can ask for help when I need to.
I love BTEC because I'm not very confident when it comes to exams, and coursework you can just sit there and work over it and it's all in your hands. But with an exam, you're having this constant anxiety of thinking, well, I've got all this to work for, and then I've got this massive exam which actually jeopardises whether I can go on to next year or not. With coursework, you can work through it and get through it fine.
I like the BTEC course because the wide range of units it has to offer. For me, joining the police, looking into the police hierarchy structure, it showed what opportunities there are for me, and also what kind of grades or what things I need to do in order to get to that stage.
The parts of the course that interest me the most are when learning about each service, like individually, and what they do and why they do, especially paramedic. And I was also looking into police apprenticeships for a while, and the law side of that really interested me.
BTEC helps my learning style because I am an independent learner, so I would say that I like time to myself and I like to do stuff by myself, but in a sense of when I need help, I'd like to ask for help, and I'd like to send my work into my teacher and be able to get the feedback that I need. I think mostly for me, I need feedback just to know where my strengths are and where my weaknesses are, and I think BTEC really accommodate that.
I recommend the BTEC because the practical element in the BTEC really does prepare you for going into a full-time job, and for instance in the police apprenticeship, it does really prepare you to do that job because you're learning how to set up an investigation, how to manage a crime scene, how to arrest someone lawfully and unlawfully. So having those behind you, as well as your theory knowledge, honestly, doing a BTEC does really push you that step further.